Hello everyone, this printer is Canon Pixma TR4755i. I want to show you how to align ink cartridges from computer. Once you connect the printer and computer together via a wireless network or with a USB cable, you need to go to Windows Start, go to the settings, select printers and scanners, then you add a device. After you add a device, you need to look for Canon TR4700 series. It's currently showing us low ink. Select on the printer. It will show you that the printer is idle. Then select printer properties. Then you select maintenance. Maintenance. It will show you maintenance and preferences. Perform maintenance such as print head alignments, cleaning, or change printer settings or custom settings. Then you select maintenance. IJ Printer Assistant 2 is not installed. Download and install latest version of IJ Printer Assistant 2 from the Canon website. Then you select OK. Go to Canon website in your country. I'm in United Kingdom, so we're going to go to canon.co.uk. This is Canon website. Then select Help and Support. Then scroll down to select Pixma Printer. Scroll down to select Pixma TR series. Select on it. Then select particular series. This is TR4755i. Select on it. It will show you the printer. Then you select software. Scroll down to select IJ Printer Assistant to Windows. Select download. Licensing agreement. Select download. Open the file. Double click the file to open. Select yes. Welcome to IJ Printer Assistant to set up. Then you select next. Language. Then you select next. Select region. Europe. Select next. UK. Select next. Licensing agreement. Select yes. So it's installing the software. Installation of IJ Printer Assistant 2 completed successfully. Then you select complete. So you select printer properties. Then go to maintenance. Then select maintenance and preferences. It will bring out for you to select the function or feature you want. Cleaning, deep cleaning, print head alignment, nozzle check, turn the printer off, auto, power, quiet, settings, custom settings. So select print head alignment. It will ask you start automatic print head alignment. This involves printing. Check that the printer is connected to the computer and power is on. Load a sheet of A4 paper or letter size plain paper into the front tray and then click start. After printing, place the printed alignment pattern on the plating and scan it to print and check the current settings. Click print alignment valve. So select start to align the printer. So it's going to align print head. Then you take the paper printed out. This part of the paper need to start from the top. So put the paper face down on the plating, then close the cover. Then it will show you need to select copy color or copy black to complete. So select copy color, head alignment. Then take the paper and discard it. So this is how to align printer from computer. Thank you very much indeed.